In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove indicators in TradingView. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, knowing how to manage your chart's overlays is crucial for maintaining a clear perspective on market trends. It can be easy to add all sorts of indicators to your chart, but sometimes clearing them away for a fresh look can be just as important. So, let's dive right in and ensure your TradingView setup is exactly how you need it. First, you'll want to head over to TradingView. If you haven't already, open your browser and navigate to the TradingView platform. It's one of the popular tools among traders for monitoring market data and performing technical analysis. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in if you haven't yet. You'll need to access your charts to perform these actions, so entering your credentials is an essential step here. If you haven't set up an account yet, you can easily create one following their straightforward sign-up process. Once you're logged in and on your TradingView dashboard, find the chart that you're working with or the one where you want to make changes. If you have a specific chart in mind, go ahead and open that up. As you look at the chart, you'll notice various tools and options sitting around the interface. Your focus now should be on the indicators. Indicators are tools used to help predict stock movements by examining chart patterns over time. If your chart is cluttered with too many of them or just ones you don't need anymore, it's time to clear them out. Now find the specific indicator that you want to remove. If you've got several indicators on your chart, there might be a list or panel where you can see each one that's currently applied. Look for the name of the indicator on your chart. The easier, more visual way to do this is by finding the indicator's title directly on the chart, often located along the top of the chart area or off to the side, depending on your interface setup. Once you have identified the indicator, direct your attention to the small trash icon next to its name. Clicking this icon is the key to removing any unwanted indicators. By doing so, the indicator will vanish from your chart, making room for you to analyze the data without unnecessary distractions. Keep in mind that you can always add the indicator back at any time, should you find that you need it again. This flexibility is what makes TradingView a powerful tool for everyday traders. And there you have it. You've successfully removed an indicator from your TradingView chart. It's a simple but essential step in maintaining clean and readable financial data visuals, allowing you to focus on the analyses that matter most to you. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.